Hello, everybody. We are here in week 12. We are very, very close to the end of the class. So just like I mentioned in the week 11 video, if you feel that you are struggling, if you need assistance, if you're worried about your grade, you need to contact me right away. Please do not wait till the last minute to get the help that you need to get the grade that you want in this class. Week 12 is a very straightforward assignment. So I want to take a minute to talk about, these assignments you've been doing. You're not hopefully just doing them for the 1 week and for that one grade. As you've hopefully seen throughout the course, we're trying to build a repository wealth of knowledge of different tools that you can use throughout the rest of your time here at UNK, and then when you get into the classroom, student teaching, and when you have your own classroom. And you're going to want to think about, as you're looking through these different tools, which ones are going to benefit you as a teacher. You have to worry about how are you going to grow as a teacher, how are you going to help your students be successful, and as well as how are you going to communicate with your parents, how are you going to keep yourself organized, motivated, supported. So there's a lot of different things. It's not just how am I going to put an assignment out there and get a grade in the grade book. So as you're looking through the tools in this assignment, which we'll talk about in just a second, I want you to think about which ones are going to benefit you, which ones you will need to keep you in that, for lack of a better term, that toolbox for when you join the classroom. They're going to benefit you not just now, but in the future. So really try as much as possible to think about what's going to help benefit you as you continue to move through UNK and into the classroom. So you got this website you need to visit. You got this one right here. And then you go on this link because you are going to watch an hour webinar covering these 21 different tools. Okay, I know it's an hour, but you got an hour, you can do it. You've got 5 different categories. And we click this link to make a copy. Got the category, got the name of the tool, and how you use it. So one of those 5 categories, name, and a couple of sentences here. This is, your assignment, these 10, right? One couple of sentences here, how you use it. Again, this may not be your classroom, maybe for yourself, for your parents, for organization, different things. So really just be in your career, not necessarily in the classroom. So no big deal there. And then you do not have, because you'll be writing a couple of sentences on each of these, not going to make you write a paper. It's 2 points for each one. So if you only do 9, you'll get 18 points. So just do all 10, get the points, fill that out, and that is your assignment. So week 12, just like week 11, not the most difficult assignment. Doesn't mean it's not important. I definitely want you to think about how are you going to build that repertoire of tools that you can take with you into your career. And that's the biggest thing. So again, like I mentioned before, if you need help, if you need assistance, if you're worried about your grade, you need to contact me right away. Thank you very much, and I will see you online.